Cassio feels very sick. He needs medicine today. In this video, you learn new words about body parts and pharmacy. Stay with Cassio to the end of the story. Turn on the CC for other languages. Cassius sits on the sofa. He feels very cold. He looks at the box. He has no tissues. Cassio wears a warm jacket. He wears a scarf. He stands by the door. He is very tired. The street is very different. The city is loud. The lights are very bright. Cassio touches his head. His head hurts a lot. He stands by a machine. He is very cold. His nose is very red. He needs help now. He walks on the bridge. The wind is cold. Cassio stops. He is very tired and sad. He looks up. The street is very big. He closes his eyes. He feels sick. He sees a green light. It is a shop. Cassio touches the door. He feels happy. He finds the shop, but can he speak? Cassio goes inside. The shop is warm. He sees a man. The man works there. Cassio shows his nose. It is very red. He touches his throat. His throat hurts. He holds his head. His head hurts a lot. The man looks at Cassio. The man smiles. Cassio moves his body. He is very cold. Cassio holds the table. He is very tired. The man has a small box. It is medicine. The man gives the box. Cassio is very happy. Cassio holds the medicine. He smiles a lot. Cassio has the medicine. Now he must pay. The man shows a machine. Cassio must pay. Cassio touches his jacket. Where is his money? He finds only paper. He feels very sad. Casio opens his jacket. He wants his card. The man waits. The man is very nice. Casio finds a yellow card. He pays for it. The man gives a bag. Casio takes the bag. Casio stands by the door. He has his medicine. He looks at the city. The night is beautiful. Wait, before you go, some words from today, just for you. Listen and repeat. Nose, nose. Head, head. Throat, throat. Scarf, scarf. Jacket, jacket. Pharmacy, pharmacy. Medicine, medicine. Money, money. Box, box. Night, night. You listened. You learned. Like and subscribe for more stories. This is More Lingua, English. Watch next.